Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the NEXPOW car battery starter. 1500 ampere peak. 21,800 milliampere hours. Wow, for 12-volt auto car jump starter. It is a power pack with USB quick charge 3.0 and it works up to 6.5 liters gas or 4 liters diesel engines. Awesome! If you have problems with your battery inside your car, maybe in wintertime, like this winter here, it is a little bit frosty out there. And if there is minus degrees about 10 or 5, then it is possible to get some trouble with your battery. Because your battery is, for example, old, or it's not anymore with a high capacity, because so much starts and so much light is on while you are driving before, etc. Then it is possible that your battery is going down a little bit with the capacity and with the power of itself. In this case, the battery is not able to crank. It's not able to start your engine. Then it is possible to get this battery starter for it, of course, because it's easy to use and reliable. And it's a small, tiny thing which you can get into your to your trunk, for example. Store it in your car and it is ready if you need it. It is a powerful jump starter. The jump starter, this jump starter will works up to 6.5 liter of gas petrol engines. For example, my engine in my Audi A1 Sportsback or in the A3 is about 1.2 liters. That means 6.5 liter. This is a lot. Or a diesel engine with up to 4 liter. Wow, this is large. And it will start up to 30 times with 1500 ampere of peak current and have a duty clamps and cables. Also, it could start trucks, but only 12 voltage take care of it. Motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATVs, UTVs, lawn mowers, and yachts up in a few minutes, even in extreme temperatures. For example, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a protection things, intelligent jump cable built in 8 upgraded protections. Particularly spark proof, reverse polarity protection, overcurrent protection, high temperature protection, overload protection, and flashing light and beep will be tell you if you have a wrong operation there. So this is easy to use. I will show you how to use it, and it is a smart charging thing with 21,800 milliampere hour capacity and a smart 3.0 USB port. It can full charge your laptop, smartphones, tablets and other devices at the fastest speed which is possible. And it is a lifesaver. The ultra bright LED light has 3 light modes with flashing, strobe light, SOS light, and which comes in handy in case of an emergency and outdoor adventures. You will get the G17 car battery jumper, a smart jumper cable, and these cables or these clamps are in good durability because there is 2 clamp ports in each clamp, and these are made of metal. And on the rear side you can see this will get into one wire. Good, really good things. There has a good spring contact. Awesome. I like it really much. And you have USB Type-C cable and user manual, of course. And this is all what you need. And the bag, of course. And the bag is massive and stable. So, how to use it? It is really easy. You have to plug in the power supply cables with the two clamps on it. Then your LED will show you if you get the red clamp on the plus pole of your battery and the minus clamp on the minus pole, or on a metal area inside or on inside your engine area. If you dock this, the LED spot will show you the green light is on. That means this jump starter is ready to use, and you can have a seat at the driver's side and start your engine immediately. If you start your engine and it will not start immediately or after 2 or 3 seconds, then you can gain more power out of it. If you're pressing on the clamp AC plug, there is a button, and if you push this button and hold it for approximately 5 seconds, it will get in the higher power mode. Then take care, because if you have a good battery, this is not a good choice with the high power mode. But if you have a nearly broken or not so much cranking battery inside, maybe it's possible to get in the high power mode. Okay, you push the button, now it's engaged. Let's have a seat again and start your engine. Now it will work. I think so. If it does not work, you have not a problem with your battery, maybe you have a problem with your engine. But if the engine is still running, you can unplug every clamp out of your engine area and take care of yourself, of course. Then the engine is running and will produce some energy for it. The G17 jump starter you can store again, and you're back in business and on the road. But there's more what you can do with this G17 jump starter. Not only start your engine, oh yeah, because it works with all 12-volt up to 6.5 gas or 4-liter diesel engines, vans, trucks, motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATV, UTV, etc. It is more. You can load your smartphone with it. USB quick charge is it's possible, as you can see. 3-mode LED light for emergency, and you can load 2 devices at the same time, if you have a second wire, of course. So this thing is the all-round thing, and should be in every car out there. In my cars, I have a couple of cars, each car has one power pack, like this here. I think it's important to do this, because not if you're driving home for Christmas, for example, and you have a problem out there, and there's no other battery, then this device is a lifesaver. So the model G17, the capacity is 21,800 mAh. These are 80.68 watt-hours battery. The start voltage current is 12 volt. The peak current is 1,500 ampere. And the in and out type port is 5 volt and 3 ampere. Output number 1 is 5 volt 2.1 ampere. Output number 2 is 5 volt 9 volt or 12 volt. The DC output is 12 volt 10 ampere. So you can dock in this, for example, a device which is working with a lightning thing, with the 12 volt connector. Awesome! This is a more awesome thing. Wow! So you have an emergency LED flashlight, emergency strobe, and SOS modes. The QC 3.0 charging ports provides 4 times the charging speed of a normal charging port, which saves a lot of time for everyone. You can charge your cell phone, tablets, candles, etc. at the fastest speed. And it has a reverse polarity protection. If you will get this in the reverse protection, it will beep and give you some information about this. So, you can see how it works, and it works easily. After you finish your work, store it and have fun on the road again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.